this is the second video of us. You know, we're gonna go to the kitchen to get brownies or you know, snacks. So, just oh shit. Fucking hell. Shut up. Sorry that you can't see anything. It's really dark. Is that better? Tom, this is taking. Yo, it's on there. Dominic's taking a piss right now. Oh, hide. We're gonna scare Dominic. We're gonna go fucking follow. You Dominic, let's go. Okay. Let's go. What's up, guys? Shut up. No one likes you. Here. Stop on big. Stop on big. Yo, what the fuck? Sexy ass. Hey, what the fuck? Oh yeah, that's a gay ass nigga, right? Okay. Oh, you're not loving. This is on YouTube. We can't say any names. Don't say any names. Yes. Oh. Do you guys agree with me saying your name? I was gonna be in a 79. Okay, do you agree with me saying your name on YouTube? No. You don't? No. Fine, yeah. Okay, he said yes. So, it's legal. Don't be putting in the comments, it's not legal. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Okay, I'm kidding. Subscribe and like the video. I got you. Alright, let's fucking go. Yo, fucking. Okay. What was that? Shut the fuck up. What was that? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit. Shh, be quiet. I swear to God. Are you posting this on Snapchat?
Yes. Follow me on Snapchat.
Nobody even knows your Snapchat.
Kermit131313 will be in there.
Shut up. Ow, dumbass.
Was that good for content?
Yes, that was good content. Okay, guys, we're gonna see you later.
Follow me on
This is okay.
Kermit131313.
My number. Shut up.
666.
I'm trying to end the video. Alright, so make sure to go, you know, say bye to Gaylord169 and I'm gonna put Island Snapchat in the, what's it called?
Link in the description.
Link in bio. And Dominic doesn't have a Snapchat.
Yeah, but I have a number. 666.
No, don't say it. Shut up. Okay, so see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy this content, and I hope to make a video tomorrow. And see you later. Peace.